Okay, I heated up my meat, my corn, and my beans. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna add everything in here, okay? We're gonna put it all in there at once. Oh, don't it look good? Let's add the cheese, baby. Put the cheese in it. Put the cheese in it. Put the cheese in it. Southwestern Cajun chicken salad. These are the croutons that go in here. Okay, these are croutons that go up in the salad. Okay, we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna add these. Look, baby. Ooh, but is it coming together or what? Is it coming together or what? This and a salad. Ooh. Ooh. Baby, that's what we working with. Look how pretty. Look at the colors. Look at the colors. Okay, now I got salad all up here on the thing. All right, now all right, let's add some. I can open it like that because it's mine, baby. It's mine. I'm the only one eating it. Baby. Look. Ooh. Baby, look at it. Let me see. Let me mix it all up. Okay. Okay, this is our salad. This is our salad. Look at the beans, the corn. Look at the croutons, the dressing. Baby. I'm gonna see if this tastes better than Chick-fil-A salad. It's the same salad though. Same salad. Chicken look the same and everything. They might get it from the same location. I don't know. But this is it. This is the salad. This is the salad. All right. Okay. Let me taste this salad, baby. Let me taste the salad. This salad tastes good. It tastes good. Baby. Ooh, I gotta take, ooh. What's in the salad? It's the salsa ranch. Baby, I'm dropping it. Baby, it tastes good. Baby, I'm about to go eat. All right, y'all. Don't sleep on y'all grocery store salads, baby. Don't sleep on them. Oh, baby, this is good. This right here, delicious. Don't sleep on your grocery store salads, okay? Go get you one, okay?